meat and seafood display case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 48.25 inches, depth of 33.75 inches, and height with wheels, we have 55.5 inches tall. Coming to the inside of the meat case will be 4 adjustable shelves, left and right on the top, also left and right on the bottom, that can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Also included will be additional shelves that can be layered on the bottom portion. Coming to the back of the display are left and right swing doors, and the measurements for each shelf will include 43.75 inches in length and a depth of 12 inches. Measurements apply for the top layer, and for the bottom shelf we have 15 inches in depth also by 43.75 inches in length. Coming to the bottom level will be a plug that can be uncorked for the drainage, and the measurements for the bottom level itself will include 28.5 inches in depth by 46 inches in length. Coming to the bottom of the case will be the power switch along with the temperature controller, along with the 110/120 voltage plug. And coming to the left is a separate smaller compartment for storage, and the interior dimensions will include 25 inches in depth by 12 inches in height, and the overall length we have 28 inches. And coming to the interior of the meat case will be an LED strip that runs along the ceiling. And coming to the right bottom corner will be the ETL certification and specs for this meat case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.